Hi guys, my name is Vinita Datta and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager for Moneyjar. So the reason I wanted to talk to you guys today is because I would like to help some of you who just started investing. Now, a lot of you have started investing early, which is a very good thing. But the bit of an issue with the young investors is that they do not have too much of an idea on what to do when they just begin investing. So here's something you can do is have two different bank accounts. Now, this is advisable. It's not a compulsory thing, but the option that I'm giving you is to bank accounts because what happens is that one of this account can be a salary account. The other will be a spare account where you can actually sweep aside some money from where the SIPs will be made. So it's easier, it's better, and once you transfer the certain amount to the other alternate bank account, you will just make sure that you're not spending that money anywhere else. Yeah. So that being said, it is definitely not a compulsory thing. If you think you can manage from your primary account, nothing like it. What you also need to do is always remember the 50-30-20 rule. Now, the 50-30-20 rule is that whatever income that you get, 50% of it has to go in your important utilities like your rent, your loans, your EMIs, your groceries. 30% of it will go in chilling, going out for a movie, going out with friends, and just doing things that you basically like. And 20%, which is the most vital percent of your income, will go in your savings. Now, the 50-30-20 rule, although applicable, does not have to go in the same order. It's usually advisable that you sweep out the 20% and keep it aside first so you don't end up spending that money. And then you can just, do the 50 and the 30 bit later. Now, what is also important that you really start investing early. And by early, I mean, anything after 18 or at 18 is good. So, the sooner you invest, the better it is because you get rich in due time. Also, you get the benefits of compounded interest. So, now for those who do not know what compounded interest is, you guys can either Google it or drop us a message or leave us a comment on this video and we'll let you know what it means. Right? So, one more thing that you must do is get a good financial advisor. I understand that it's not always possible for everyone to get a good financial advisor or even avail decent financial advising, but if possible, ensure that you're trying to get one. If not, for those who think it's difficult or do not know whom to trust, you always have Moneyjar. We offer free financial consulting over the phone. You guys can reach us anytime or drop us a message and we'll make sure that we get back to you. I hope this helps, and if there is absolutely anything you guys need to ask us, feel free to call us, message us, leave us a message. Thank you. I hope this helps. Bye.